Today I am going to discuss regarding circulatory pathways of heart. The blood vessels of the body are functionally divided into two distinctive circuits, that is pulmonary circuit and systemic circuit. The pump for the pulmonary circuit, which is the right ventricle, means the pump for the pulmonary circuit which circulates blood through the lungs in the right ventricle. And the left ventricle is the pump for the systemic circuit, which provides the blood supply for the tissue cells of the body. So, in case of pulmonary circuit, the chamber of the heart, that is right ventricle, and for the systemic circuit, the chamber of the heart, that is left ventricle. So, the systemic circulation of heart. It is a circuit of vessels supplying oxygenated blood to and returning deoxygenated blood from the tissue of the body. Systemic circulation flows through arteries, then arterioles, then capillaries, where gas exchange occurs to tissues. Blood is then returned to the heart through venules and veins, which merge into the superior and inferior vena cava and empty into the right atrium to complete the circuit. So, what is systemic circulation? Systemic circulation is the circuit of vessels supplying oxygenated blood to and returning deoxygenated blood from the tissues of the body. The systemic circulation flows through arteries and arterioles, then capillaries, where the gas exchange occurs to tissues, and blood is then returned to the heart through venules and veins, which march into the superior and inferior vena cava, then it empty into the right atrium to complete the circuit. So, systemic circulation carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle through the arteries to the capillaries into the tissue of the body. Means in systemic circulation, the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle goes to throughout our body. So whole deoxygenated blood from the body, that is upper and lower, comes to heart to superior and inferior vena cava in right atrium. The whole deoxygenated blood comes, then it goes to the right ventricle by the opening of the tricuspid valve. So through this, the deoxygenated blood from our whole body, that is upper and lower part of our body, comes to the heart through superior and inferior vena cava in the right atrium. The whole deoxygenated blood from the right atrium goes to right ventricle through the opening of tricuspid valve. So the tricuspid valve is in between right atrium and right ventricle. Then deoxygenated blood goes to lungs by the opening of pulmonic valve, which is present at pulmonary trunk or pulmonary artery and right ventricle. So the deoxygenated blood goes to lungs for purification. The deoxygenated blood goes to lungs by two pulmonary artery or pulmonary trunk, the left pulmonary trunk and the right pulmonary trunk or artery. The left pulmonary trunk or the left pulmonary artery goes to left lung, means in left lung the deoxygenated blood goes through left pulmonary artery, and in right lung the deoxygenated blood goes through right pulmonary artery. So from the lungs, the deoxygenated blood collects from veins and venules, and it marches to the superior and inferior vena cava. Then the whole deoxygenated blood goes to right atrium, and then the whole deoxygenated blood then comes to right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and it goes to through pulmonary artery by the opening of pulmonic valve. It goes to lungs for purification. So the next event is, from the lungs, the oxygenated blood comes to the left atrium by four pulmonic veins. Then oxygenated blood comes to left ventricle by the opening of mitral or bicuspid valve. Then the oxygenated blood goes to the aorta by the opening of aortic valve. The oxygenated blood goes to whole body including the heart through aorta. So from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood goes to aorta through the opening of aortic valve throughout our body including heart. That is coronary circulation, which I previously told. So the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation is the part of circulatory system. Means the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, how it goes to our body and how it collects into our heart. Means the involvement of superior and inferior vena cava, the all chambers of our heart and the pulmonary veins. So the pulmonary circulation is the path of blood from right ventricle through the lungs and back to the heart. So the pulmonary circulation is the path of blood from right ventricle through the lungs and back to the heart. And the systemic circulation is the oxygenated blood pumped to all organ to supply nutrients. So the pulmonary circulation is the path of blood from the right ventricle through the lungs and back to the heart. And the systemic circulation is the oxygenated blood pumped to all organ to supply nutrients. So the rate of blood flow through systemic circulation is equal to flow rate through pulmonary circulation. Means the rate of blood flow through the systemic circulation is equal to the blood flow rate in case of pulmonary circulation. Means the pulmonary circulation blood flow rate is equal to systemic circulation blood flow rate. Means the blood flow rate of systemic circulation is equal to the blood flow rate of pulmonary circulation.